Hi, my name is Vusi Ndlovu from Edge Restaurant. I'll be showing you a butternut and peanut butter ice cream dessert. It's a nice dessert to have after a braai because not too filling, not too sweet, but absolutely delicious. Enjoy. So the first part of the dish, obviously, is a butternut. Woolies has these nice cute butternuts, nice and small. So the idea is to use ashes and not flame. And you want to bury this in the ash. It's a bit crazy, but it works. Should take about 40 minutes, depending on the size of the butternut and the heat. So the next part of the recipe is a caramelized white chocolate. It's a very fancy way of saying burnt chocolate. So there's no real recipe to this, just as much chocolate as you would like, just use that amount. So you want a nice gentle heat. Again, a good cast iron pan. Then it's important to keep stirring it. And it's important to make sure that your cast iron pan is super clean. You don't want to be tasting your onions from last week and the chocolate. I think it might be nice. No, yeah, don't do that. Just make sure it's a nice clean pan. Cool. So after 10-20 minutes, you're looking for this color on your chocolate. So it should look actually like peanut butter. Then this is where the magic happens. I've always wanted to say that. It's so funny. So salt. Salt, chocolate and ice cream, best friends. Then peanuts. Not too crazy. Then just like, then once that's done, it's just much easier to pop it onto a plate to cool it down. So after 40 minutes or so, our butternut should be cooked. And that's what we're looking for. Yeah. You see when it starts to crack like that, that's the skin of the butternut. And you can actually smell it, like it's got a deep butternut flavor. Okay. Don't worry about the ashes. So, ashes are flavor. So there's no perfect way to do this. I just want a bit of chocolate. And of course, my favorite, the peanut butter ice cream. But if you are a tin roof fan, no worries. Should do the trick also. So just like that. Then a bit more on top. Then a bit more peanuts. A bit more sauce. Like, feel free to go crazy. Again, we don't know how to eat this one, but I think we'll just go for it. Yeah. It's quite tasty, actually. I think it's the ice cream that does it. Yeah, that's the one. Thanks, guys.